parent and a far parent, I am also the de facto parent of 14 children who are abused in Misamis Occidental. And it is a privilege to provide them with a sanctuary where they can heal, thrive, and have a better future. Through this experience, we have gained a profound understanding of the essence of motherhood and the transformative power of unconditional love. In the same vein, as members of the Philippine National Police, you stand as the stalwart defenders and guardians of our society's most vulnerable members. Each day, you courageously position yourselves in the front lines, ensuring the safety and well-being of those in urgent need of protection. Your valor, compassion, steadfast dedication have truly simplified the spirit also. Your presence and vigilance not only safeguard these children, but also serve as a beacon of hope and protection in their lives. Your tireless efforts contribute significantly to creating a safer and more nurturing environment for our abused children. As we honor mothers worldwide today, let us also pay homage to the invaluable contribution of our law enforcement officers who embody the essence of motherhood, displaying compassion, resilience, and unswavering dedication. Your relentless commitment to upholding the welfare of our communities and championing the rights of the marginalized imparts a profound impact on mothers and people's lives. On this heart of Mother's Day, I extend my sincerest gratitude to each one of you for your service, your sacrifices, and unwavering commitment to serving and safeguarding our most vulnerable members. May you continue to serve as a beacon of hope, protection, and strength for those in need, much like a mother's unwavering presence for their children. To the police officers and first responders who stand as material figures in our communities, often in the face of danger and adversity, your courage and nurture is invaluable. You protect and serve not only with authority, but most importantly, with a compassionate heart. Today, we honor each of you. We demonstrate that motherhood is defined by love, sacrifice, and the willingness to nurture and protect. Your contributions make the world a better place, and for that,